Every 21 seconds, the world welcomes a new millionaire, and daily, a new billionaire steps into the spotlight. By the time you finish this video, you'll grasp why an increasing number of individuals are climbing the wealth ladder and how you can join their ranks. Let's explore 15 compelling reasons why achieving wealth is more accessible than ever. Welcome to our channel, your beacon for aspiring billionaires. Did you hit the subscribe button yet? If so, then let's get started. Number 1. Unprecedented abundance. We're living in a time where resources are more plentiful than at any other point in human history. Technology and globalization have made goods and services readily available, turning scarcity into abundance. This era offers unparalleled opportunities for wealth creation, making financial success more accessible. Number 2. Richness is common. In today's economy, becoming a millionaire is not as rare as it once was. With over 22 million millionaires in the US alone, the path to wealth is well trodden. The key is to see yourself as capable of joining their ranks by harnessing the same principles they did. Number 3. A consumption-driven economy. Our economy thrives on spending, but true financial wisdom lies in knowing how to earn rather than spend. By transitioning from a consumer to a producer, you open yourself up to the flow of wealth. It's about creating value that others are willing to pay for. Number 4. Global work opportunities. The digital age has demolished geographical barriers to employment. Now, talent from anywhere can compete on a global stage, often commanding higher wages from economies stronger than their home countries. This shift not only allows for a better standard of living, but also opens up a world of wealth-building opportunities. Number 5. Accessible education. The internet has democratized access to education, making high-quality learning materials available to anyone with a connection. This access levels the playing field, allowing individuals from any background to acquire the skills needed for wealth creation. The only investment required is your time and dedication. Number 6. Starting without capital. The belief that a hefty initial investment is necessary to start a business is a myth. In the digital era, many entrepreneurs begin with little more than a laptop and an idea. The real currency is your creativity, effort, and the ability to solve problems. Number 7. Affordable technology. The cost of technology continues to decrease, making powerful tools accessible to everyone. This democratization of technology enables individuals to start businesses, learn new skills, and connect with markets worldwide. Now, more than ever, the tools for wealth creation are within reach of anyone willing to use them. Number 8. Automation and efficiency. Modern software has made it possible to automate many aspects of business, reducing the need for large teams and cutting costs. This efficiency allows small teams or solo entrepreneurs to compete with larger companies. Embracing technology can scale your operations and increase profitability. Number 9. Easy investing. The barriers to investing have never been lower. With a plethora of apps and platforms, anyone can start investing with just a few dollars. This accessibility encourages a culture of investing, making it a crucial step in wealth accumulation for the average person. Number 10. Technological revolutions. Every new technological breakthrough brings opportunities for early adopters to profit. Whether it's the internet, social media, or blockchain, these revolutions transform industries and create new markets. Staying informed and adaptable allows you to capitalize on these shifts. Number 11. Fame and influence for all. The rise of social media has erased traditional barriers to fame. Now, anyone can build a platform, engage a global audience, and monetize their influence. This new paradigm shifts the power from traditional media to individuals, offering a new path to financial success. Number 12. Outsourcing expertise. The gig economy and freelance platforms have made it easier than ever to hire experts for any task. This allows entrepreneurs to focus on their strengths and delegate other tasks to specialists. Leveraging this global talent pool can accelerate your path to wealth. Number 13. Luck is what you make it. While luck plays a role in success, it's more about being prepared when opportunities arise. Hard work and preparation increase your chances of capitalizing on lucky breaks. The more you put yourself out there, the more likely you are to encounter serendipitous opportunities. Number 14. Niche markets. Abound. The internet has allowed people with even the most specific interest to find and serve a global audience. No matter how niche your passion, there's likely a market for it. Serving these niche communities can be a lucrative path to wealth, as you provide unique value. Number 15. Governments are printing money. Inflation and monetary policy have significant impacts on wealth distribution. As governments print money, those who understand how to position themselves on the receiving end of this new wealth can benefit. Being aware of these macroeconomic trends can guide your investment and business strategies. In closing, the path to wealth is more accessible today than ever before, thanks to technological advancements, educational resources, and a global economy. What stage of the journey are you on, and where do you aim to go next? Dive into the discussion below and let's debate the ease of wealth building in today's world. If you found value in this exploration, consider subscribing for more insights and strategies to fuel your ascent to wealth. See you in the next video.